going on, everybody? I am in Doral, and look at the winds kicking up from this thunderstorm cell. We are gonna get clobbered over here in Doral, Florida. We are about 15, I say 10 miles, 15 miles west, 15 miles west of Miami. And yeah, we're gonna get clobbered. I'm going against the storm, but it doesn't matter if I'm going against the storm. I'm gonna get nailed by the storm. So get ready to park at where my location is. You're gonna see how nasty it's gonna look. Whoa. Look at that. I'm gonna go right into that. Time to close the windows. It looks like it's raining over there and it's not raining over here. But watch this. Rain should start picking up right now as we speak, and it is. Let me back up here and watch the storm roll over. Let's listen at the, look at the clouds, how fast they're going. Here it comes. Whoa! We are in the middle of a thunderstorm. Anyway, I'm going to take cover, folks. Until next time, later.